primary thing that inspires me in my practice as well as my own personal life is the sacrifices of my mother and father. We were raised in a small East Texas town. Many times there was not a lot of food on the table, but the real part that brought on practice of law and being a lawyer was the fact that my father and mother had been taken advantage of. But that taught me that my father did not know how to act and do the right thing as far as the law was concerned. The law didn't give him a voice. I wanted to make sure that whatever the law gives the right of a voice, I want to be a part of that. My clients, when they first come to me, are at a loss. They have no idea what's going on. They know that something has happened, but they don't know what the next step is. They just don't want to be taken advantage of again.
My father was walking through a parking lot and he was backed over by an SUV. He broke ribs, he fractured his hand, he tore a tendon in his shoulder. Not to mention, there was a concussion there as well. The Littleton Law Firm, throughout the case, was exceedingly accommodating, and they kept us informed every step of the way. There was never a moment that we were in the dark about anything. If there was somebody else in my position, I would definitely send them to Larry Littleton. He takes care of his clients, and that matters.
A car out of nowhere ran a stop sign and hit my car. When I hired the Littleton Law Firm, Larry told me that I shouldn't have to worry about anything. He told me that he would make sure that I was compensated for the damages sustained to my vehicle and to myself. The Littleton Law Firm, they treat you like family. They're there from the beginning to the end. They don't leave you guessing what's the next move, what do I need to do. They're really there for their clients.
One thing I wanted everybody to understand, that this law firm fights. This law firm represents people. This law firm represents the voice of every client that walks in this door to make sure they're heard. We're going to work and get the job done right. Whatever the time it takes, whatever it needs to be done, we will do. We will work hard to get their trust. We will work hard to keep their confidence, and we will work hard to make sure that they are compensated.